Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make these Christmas Crinkle cookies. I'm going to make these cookies the easy way, and that is I'm going to use some Duncan Hines Red Velvet cake mix. You heard me right, cake mix. Not cookie mix, but cake mix. We're not going to follow the instructions exactly how they are in the back of the box. We're going to do our own thing. First, dump our cake mix into our bowl. Then add 2 large eggs. Then 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Now we're just going to mix this up. Next we're going to take 1 cup of powdered sugar and put it into a bowl. 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Mix it together. We're going to take our batter in a little scoop. You can use a tablespoon if you wish. Scoop some out, like so. Drop it into your mixture here of cornstarch and powdered sugar. Roll it around. Get it coated really good, just like so, and place it on your baking sheet. And just do that with the rest of them. Bake this at 375 degrees between 9 and 11 minutes. And after about 10 minutes, when they come out of the oven, let them cool down a little bit before we serve them. And now it's time for the taste test. I'm going to take one of my crinkle cookies. Delicious. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make these Christmas Crinkle cookies. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. Also hit that big red subscribe button. You get new videos all the time. And check out these videos right here. And until then, I'll see you next time.